Hibiscus tea is not only refreshing and gorgeous tea, but it also has some antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It can lower your blood pressure, can lower your cholesterol levels, can promote weight loss, fat bacteria, and also support liver health, among other benefits. So here is how the hibiscus dried flower look like. I bought this from my local store. So to get started, I'm making sure that everything is clean. I'm going through everything to make sure that there's no dirt or anything that does not belong there. And it all look good. I'm then gonna rinse it off. To get the best out of it, I'm going to go ahead and soak it up for like 4 hours, but you can go ahead and soak it overnight if you have time. And then I transferred my pot onto the stove on medium heat, and then added the cinnamon, the bay leaves, and peppercorn or black pepper. I will also be adding some pineapple juice onto our hibiscus tea. So after I cleaned my pineapple very well, I'm then peeling it and getting it ready. Hibiscus tea is also not safe for a pregnant mom, can interact with other medication. It is possible for you to have an allergic reaction, can cause stomach upset, gas, and constipation. Right now, I'm separating the core of the pineapple, and I'm going to show you in a minute what we're gonna do with it. And as you continue to watch, I wanna appreciate you for watching, liking, and commenting on my videos. I really do appreciate you. And you know how those black spots can be irritating. And the core is now going into the big pot, and we'll juice the rest of the pineapple. So I'm cutting it into some chunks, and then I'm gonna throw it into my blender and make some juice out of it. And we are also going to be using some ginger, and you can already tell how healthy our hibiscus tea is going to be. And our hibiscus tea is coming up very well. I then went ahead and added in some cardamom to add in some more flavor. Give it a quick mix. And at this point, I'm putting our pineapple chunks and the ginger into the blender. I'm going to blend them. I added in some little water to help with the... I added in some little water, and then we're going to use the puree to make a juice. And our hibiscus tea is coming out very well. It is almost at a boiling point, and we're going to turn off the flame and let it cool down a little bit. I then went ahead and strained it and get it ready for the next step. And I'm now straining the pineapple and ginger puree to form a juice. And you can also use a juicer if you have one. And I finally mixed everything up, and our hibiscus tea is finally ready. It is looking very flavorful. It was very delicious. And if you like, you can add some sugar or some honey to make it sweeter. And at this point, I want to kindly request you to help me grow this channel by subscribing, hit up the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. And look at that. I hope you have been inspired to go and try this recipe. So until we meet in the next video, may the Lord bless you, may the Lord keep you, may He watch over you, and may He give you peace. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.